Before this, when we talk about carbon, we must associate it with black. But today, when we talk about global warming, we will hear about its association with blue carbon. Have you heard of blue carbon? Blue carbon is carbon stored in coastal and marine ecosystem. In this video, the blue carbon focuses on carbon storage in mangroves and seagrass ecosystem. Both of these ecosystems are able to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in large quantities that is at a rate of 40 until 50 times faster than tropical rainforests. However, degradation of these two ecosystems make large amounts of carbon rapidly increasing in atmosphere and then contribute to global warming. Let's look at how the degradation of mangroves and seagrass ecosystem is related to global warming. Degradation of mangroves ecosystem due to deforestation activities for the purpose of aquaculture and urbanization activities had disrupt the function of mangroves to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. Take a look at example how the mangrove deforestation activities are so active. Unfortunately, we also have contributed to the release of large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So, when the mangrove is gone, it cannot absorb carbon dioxide. This condition causes our temperature to rise and contribute to global warming. Mangroves are highly efficient store carbon for millions of years. However, when there is a disturbance by natural occurrence and human activities cause the degradation of mangrove ecosystem. For example, mangrove forest in Vietnam has been destroyed along the Mekong River Delta for aquaculture by replaced with shrimp farms. Mangrove habitat declined by about 34%. Blue carbon stored in carbon sink is potentially lost and carbon will be released into the atmosphere to become a source of greenhouse gases. And lastly, contribute to global warming.
Beside the mangrove, seagrasses also can store the carbon in the soil for a long time, which means there will be less carbon available in the atmosphere. When seagrasses destroyed by various threats like deforestation, natural anthropogenic disaster, and so on, it will increase the carbon in the atmosphere because there's no longer plants to absorb the carbon. This situation will emit the greenhouse gases and then lead to global warming. The Forest City project in Selat Tebrau, Johor is one of the examples that explain the degradation of seagrasses. It is happened because the project built on the seagrass meadow. This would cause the seagrass ecosystem to disappear.